Intro to your tech entry program, our mission. I created this platform to help anyone, from any background, break into tech without confusion or overwhelm.
Whether you're a student, graduate, career changer, or just curious, you belong here.
What you'll learn. Here, you'll learn the exact paths into tech. No coding required at first, until you find what fits you best. From day one, we'll break down front-end, back-end, and full-stack development, mobile app development, Android, iOS, Flutter, UI, UX design, no-code tools like Figma, DevOps and cloud, AWS, Docker basics, data analysis and data science, Excel, Python, AI and machine learning, intro concepts, QA and testing, manual plus automation with tools, product management, cybersecurity fundamentals, no-code tools, Webflow, Bubble, Zapier. I'll post short, clear videos, step-by-step guides, free resources, and career tips, all designed for people with no tech background. What makes this different? No fluff, no pressure. Just a clear roadmap and a growing community of learners. Follow for more and start your journey into tech, one skill at a time.